This FM 104.3. Good to meet you.
You have not given him any notice. You have not sent him any letter. And then you go and broadcast that the man is under investigation, trying to put people's reputation lowered it before the eyes of rational thinking Ghanaians. You are now starting an investigation. Answer simple. Enter any panel letter. And about what I'm investigating former MPA boss and 8 others. Is that how we do investigations in this country? It's how the other special prosecutor. It's one man have a press conference. Energy will be a one man have a press conference. Eshana say who nim faso Ghana who faso pe na have a press conference. Now a day ginger and go and win your cases. Go and win your cases, special prosecutor. Go and win your cases. You have so much on your plate. Go and win those cases, and then come and add more. Onfa Kenoforiata, Uncle for Mustafa Hamid, Uncle for Honor Council, oral Soreba, one for oral corruption related matters. Nina one for man, one for Nina. Who is afraid of investigations in this country? In one now, Yababaho, on one now we investigate one hour charge or crampu, why withdrawals in an early prosecutor.
Loyalty, what is Lawyer Boama saying? That if you are invited as a suspect by a law enforcement agency, which has a warrant of arrest, you are not at will to decide whether to honor or turn down the invitation? That certainly can't be. He is clearly mixing up a person of interest with that of a suspect. Whilst the latter can decline an invitation, it is mandatory on the former. You are charged for rape and invited by the police in Accra for questioning. You respond by telling the police that you are not well and that you've gone to your hometown in Karachi to get some traditional medicine and that you are not too sure of the date of your return. The police rewrites you to be specific on your date of return, and you still insist you can't give a definite date because your native doctor aren't too sure on when he would fully discharge you. Do you think the police will sit quietly and wait for your return? Let's allow the institutions to work. The OSP should be supported, not condemned. I submit. Say Obama in Pokuase.
Enti say Obama menye sure de ote Imran ase.
Netie we so ka ho ne kan mi nyina bom na FFC for na menko professor. Kissi Agyebeng, the an incompetent special prosecutor, should be aware that he cannot use the OSP as a tool for personal vendettas. Given his track record, he lacks the moral temerity to accuse any Ghanaian of corruption, as he represents something more detrimental than itself. The OSP has turned to a den of blackmailers. However, I place the blame not solely on him, but MPP's director of legal and other former appointees who colluded and protected him when there was clear evidence to remove him from office. Samuel Brian Boabing and also
basically I'm the man American say Obama on task, and then the special prosecutor or two they will invite to appear before him for investigations. That power is there not only for the special prosecutor alone, for every state investigative body. Obotum will invite you. Message say invite Obia on your force, then Nipano Obeba. In fact, by law, even when I appear before you, you cannot compel me to speak. The law protects you against self-incrimination. I can appear before an investigative body. That is why when even you go to police station, NASA will take your statement. I will caution that every statement that you make here is being captured and can be taken as evidence against you in court. It is your right to give your statement. It is your right to remain silent. So the point is, you don't need Kenoforiata to be physically present. And here the Kenoforiata obeba betina when masana investigation, because whether you appear before him or you don't appear before him, you can continue to do your investigations. All you are doing is that you are building a docket to prosecute. All you are doing is that you are building. I'm only coming to facilitate your work. If I come, so be it. If I don't come, then you have to continue your work. And then say compel him to appear before you, and that is when you go to court. you go to court or read the statement gentleman na eka no in a special procedure or read the statement. Did he say that he has secured the court? In fact, what court can not grant to a Troby 24th within 4 days? Nipane said they made to Kwan. You have not perused the thing, you have not taken further information to know the state of the person, and then why said them because the court warrant. He knows that he cannot even just secure a court, but even when you secure a court warrant, that is when then you can compel the person or go after the person to appear before you. But man, American, from the day of first initiation of the letter, 24th of January to the 10th of February, what is it at all that you want that you cannot give reasonable time? So it means the Nipa Nepede Guneni. That is all I'm saying.
Mate,
Kiss FM 104.3. Good to meet you.